be going to teach you how can we use the play tune and play note. So in the play tune is likely the same how we can use the play drum and play AI drums. So in here, let's wait for it to load. Here we have different notes of instrument. So if you want to know what kind of instrument that you use is by looking at here. As you can see, we have a piano, and you can choose any type of instrument that you want to create a tune or create a tune or a sound of the instrument just by knowing the notes of the instrument. So you can see we have piano, bass, pluck, tones, and synth. The pluck is most like the plucking in the guitar. So since we want to add a piano in our song, you can just see here. So you can also see if let's say we want to create something, we can choose the keynote or the all note. The all note will show all of the notes in the instrument, like the piano. They have many C5, B4. So that's all. And in order for us to make it to, let's say we want this, you can see you can hear the instrument when we are clicking the note we want. And after you're done, you can just click here to hear the whole tune that you create with the instrument. As you can see, we can click that and just need to add here. So the same thing can be said with the play notes, but this time it's all on piano this time, or the same thing can be this time, but this time is other than other one. As you can see the note, you can see the instrument itself, and as you can see when you click something here, change, right? It changed. So you can change it either to go up. As you can see here, it is modified to go up. All the notes that we click is all going up. So when we click here, we'll add at the bottom going up the previous that we click. So when we click bottom, vice versa, when we add another note or another tune, it will add at the bottom. So random, it will randomly play, random plays itself. You can see when together, it's all together played in here in one single time. So let's say we up that bit, and then if you want to hear something or if you want to hear it, so always click here. So that's pretty much how you can use it now. As you can see, we maximize the whole note of the notes that we pick. So all of it's going up to the first that we click, the first note that we click, and to the last note that we click, since it's going up. So all you need to do is connect here and it will add here. So most likely the play tune and the play notes only consume 1 second, not unlike the play AI drums. Play AI drums consume 2 seconds of the instrument they are playing. Yeah, let's hear it. see, that's pretty much how can you use the play tune and the play notes. The play tune is by the tune that you want to create, and this is the note is one note only, and this is the you can add more if you want. So that's pretty much how you can use it. You can use it by creating your own tune or create your own note that you want to hear. If you can't decide to choose on the already pre-made instrument by the music.org, you can pretty much create your own song or create note you want to also add in the creation that you